Hello friends, so in this video how you can solve heating problem on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here just move on setting, then from here just click on search setting and you can search for the system update. Okay, click on automatic system update, and suppose if this icon is activated from before, only friends just turn off this icon. Okay, just off it. And if you don't find this option, then friends you have to turn on developer option mode. Okay, and you have to move on Play Store. When you move on Play Store, from here friends just click on your account profile. When you click on profile friends, from here you can see it's hanging problem. Okay, then from here you have to move on setting. So here's your setting. I just tap on setting, and from here you can see network preferences. So friends, just tap on network preferences, and from here on the app download preference you have to click on ask me every time and click on OK. And from here auto update apps you have to click on OK. This don't auto update apps. Okay, and from here autoplay videos, click on autoplay videos, and here also don't autoplay videos. Okay. And friends, which apps you are not using, you have to uninstall that apps. Okay, example like I'm not using this picture lab, click on uninstall. Okay, and friends, that if you are not using some apps but you cannot uninstall, then here just move on that apps. Then from here click on app info, and from here just click on force stop. Okay, I have force stop this app because I cannot uninstall and I'm not using it. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here your heating problem will be solved. Okay, and thanks for watching.